Starting the daily challenge. I will click the search input, type in Inception as a strong baseline guess, select it from the drop-down using Enter, and click the Guess button to submit. Type card is red for Inception movie, so target medium equals TV series. Year card is red more than 2 years off from 2010, arrow obscured by drop-down. Rating card is yellow within 0.5 of 8.8, arrow obscured. Genres action, adventure, sci-fi are gray, no overlap. Actors and director are gray. Constraints, TV series, year not 2008-2012, rating 8.3-9.3, not action/adventure/sci-fi. Avoid Inception. Type card is red for Inception movie, so target medium is TV series. Year is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2012. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, so the target rating is between 8.3 and 8.7. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi are gray. I will guess The Crown, a highly rated TV series from 2016 drama/history that fits these constraints. Type card is green for The Crown TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year card is red more than 2 years off from 2016, arrow obscured by drop-down. Rating card is red more than 0.5 off from 8.6, arrow obscured. Genre drama is green, biography and history are gray. Actors and directors are gray. Constraints, TV series, drama genre, year not 2014-2018, rating not 8.1-9.1. Avoid Inception, The Crown. Type card is green for The Crown, so target medium is TV series. Year is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2018. Rating is red with an up arrow, so the target rating is higher than 9.1. Drama is green, while biography and history are gray. I will guess Chernobyl 2019, which is a highly rated drama series 9.3 that fits these strict constraints. Type card is green for Chernobyl TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year card bottom edge is green 2019. Rating card bottom edge is yellow within 0.5 of 9.3. Genre drama is green, history and thriller are gray. Actors are gray. Constraints, TV series, year 2019, rating tilde 9.2 since 9.1 from previous. Drama genre, not history/thriller. Avoid Chernobyl. Type card is green for Chernobyl, so target medium is TV series. Year is yellow with an up arrow, so the target is 2020 or 2021. Rating is red with a down arrow, so the target rating is lower than 8.8. Drama is green. I will guess Squid Game 2021, a drama series with an 8.0 rating. I am clicking the first suggestion explicitly to avoid the enter key issue that caused the loop. Type card bottom edge is green for Squid Game TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year card bottom edge is green, so the target year is 2021. Rating card bottom edge is red, meaning the rating is more than 0.5 off from 8.0. Genres thriller, comedy, and action are gray, no overlap. Actors and director are gray. Constraints, TV series, year 2021, rating 7.5 or 8.6-8.7, drama genre from previous, not thriller/comedy/action. Avoid Squid Game. Type card is green for Squid Game, so target medium is TV series. Year is green, so the target year is exactly 2021. Rating is red with an up arrow, so the target rating is 8.4. Genres thriller, comedy, and action are gray. I will guess Dopesick 2021, a drama series with an 8.6 rating that fits all constraints. Type card is green for Dopesick TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year card is green 2021. Rating card is yellow with an up arrow, target rating is 8.7 to 9.1. Genre drama is green. Actors are gray. Constraints, TV series, year 2021, rating 8.7-9.1, drama genre. Avoid Dopesick. Type card is green for Dopesick, so target medium is TV series. Year is green 2021. Rating is yellow with an up arrow, so target rating is 8.7 to 9.1. Drama is green. I will guess 1883 2021, a drama series with an 8.7 rating that fits all constraints. I got it. The answer was the TV series 1883, and it took me 6 guesses. Nailing down the exact year of 2021 and the high rating really helped me zero in on this drama.